Welcome back, dude and dudettes. It's Lost in Stupid Garage. For this week's edition of Something Stupid in the Garage, it's actually inside the '08 Hummer H3 Project GFB. So here we go. We're going to do a seatbelt this time. Very simple. You pretty much just pull the whole seatbelt out, like so. You go and get yourself some of these from the hardware store. Little metal clamps. We'll find out which one works the best. You have a much more heavy-duty spring on this. We'll see if that holds it. You snake it around there and hold it on, and that should hold it. We'll put another one on just for backup. How about that? There we go. We got two of them on there. We're now going to take this strap. We're going to put it in some warm, soapy water. Oop, we don't want the seatbelt thing in there. That's kind of gross. I guess we're going to have to, because it doesn't want to go any other way. We're now going to leave this sit in here for a little bit. And just so as you know, I've got Awesome and Ajax soap. I'm going to use that to wash this strap, and we're going to leave it soak for a bit because I've been having a horrible time getting my seatbelt to recoil. I don't know if this is actually going to do as much cleaning as I would like, but we're going to do it. So, I feel kind of silly, folks, because this is so simple. Working on Project Happy Hummer. It's an '07 H3. We're going to be doing the exact same thing, pulling the seatbelt all the way out and locking it in place so it can't go in. And this is the truck originally that was having issues with the seatbelt. I don't know if this seatbelt just has become so filthy after all the years of usage, but even so, I'm going to clean it today. So this is the one I'm going to put into the solution also, and now it has a little bit, and this seatbelt is filthy. I can see it. Yep, I can see the grunge and the dirt and the gunk and skank in it. Okay, I grabbed a really nasty old towel here, really nasty. When it's filthy dirty, I can never get it clean anymore, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that right behind here. You can see all the dirt embedded. Look at how black that's getting. Wow. That's really getting skanky. Okay.
Well, you can see all this. I'm going to put the towel behind it and spray it. And I'm going to try to get all this freaking dirt out of here because it's nasty, guys. I'm trying to get it out. Oh yeah, it's filthy. Wow. Yeah, wow, there's a lot of stank and gunk in here. I see it. Oof, look at that. Look at that. Wow. People weren't BSing when they were saying cleaning your seatbelts can be very beneficial. I see that. Because these are pretty nasty. Yeah, these are pretty darn nasty. Wow. Who would have thunk? So this is all I'm doing. It's just a little bit of soap. And this is just some basic sanitizing soap. Only what's awesome is it may end up leaving some stickiness. That's what I don't like. The Awesome might leave some stickiness. I was kind of hoping, guys, that I could get a better job of soaking this. But I don't know if I can. I'm going to see if I can. Maybe I can get up further for a few seconds and wet this down and get all the Awesome out of it, because it's been really soaking in there for a minute or two. Maybe I can get some of the Awesome out of it, because it is really nasty. It's sticky, sticky, sticky. Yeah, that's what she said, eh? So, okay, there we go. Now we'll leave that soak for about 10, 15, 20 minutes, something like that, and then we'll pull it out and let it also sit and dry. I'll be back to this one, okay? Let's just leave this sit for a while and do its best of soaking. A lot of this is damage to the belt, I know that. I've worn this belt out. I really need to replace these belts, but I was hoping washing them would actually help first. And by getting some soap water on them, it did take some of the discoloration out. That's good.
Okay, I just wanted to show you that washing your car seat belts, folks, is really useful, as can very well be seen here. There you go. That's what I mean. Look at how nasty that is. That's like dark like tea. So there you are. That's me signing off, showing you how nasty the water is after just soaking them both for a little while.
Okay guys, that pretty much wraps it up. Thanks so much for stopping by. Keep coming back, we want you back.